Hello, hello. We've got our cotton cuts, day number 8. So let's go ahead and get started. And without further ado, Sean, you get to go tonight. Your turn.
8. All right, let's see what's in number 8 today. Oh, there is a card in here. Okay, it didn't feel like there was one earlier. Okay, so it says, when it rains, look for rainbows. When it's dark, look for stars.
Aw.
There we go, that's better. All right, and since we're talking about Hawaiian prints the other day,
Oh.
very nice orange. I like this a lot. Maybe it'll have to go with my lava from yesterday, and maybe there'll be some other prints and I can do like a Hawaiian theme print. Quilts, who knows? Maybe that's
Only if you'll do this, Sean.
I'll let you do that. You're doing a whole lot better than I would. So what did you get in bag 8?
And bag 8, behind door number 8. Oh, it's orange. It's very fallish.
Very nice.
Oh, very nice. I don't have any orange fabric. Now I do.
Yes.
Very pretty. Sitting here trying to figure out, what am I going to make with this? That's for future Martha to worry about. I love that. Future Martha, future Sean. Let them figure that out.
I got that from How I Met Your Mother. It was, the main character was talking about something, and he's like, I'll let future Ted worry about that. So
I've seen that show only maybe once in a while. I have not watched it much.
It's one of those things that just kind of stuck. So
I like it. Like our chin wagging and bonsai means good. Did I say it right?
Yep.
All right, everyone. So that's day number 8 in the books. So let's go ahead and have a wonderful rest of the night or day, depending on where you're at. Thanks again for stopping by to hang out with us for our day number 8, and we will see you tomorrow.
All right. Have a good night, guys.
Good night.
Night.